Hey, what's up, everyone? So we have this Roe decision. Looks like the Supreme Court's going to be overturning that, and of course, the leftists are having a shit fit because they want to be able to go around and murder unborn human beings at the drop of a hat, or however you want to say it. They just want to be able to kill. And these days, some of these states are trying to pass laws to kill newborn, not even unborn. But anyways, these idiots. I heard someone talking about seeing some protests, a bunch of students from somewhere, some university in California, and these idiots don't even know how things work because they're all pissed off and they're afraid they're not going to be able to do abortions anymore, this, that, and the other. And hello, if you're in California, it's nothing's going to change because all this decision, which isn't even a decision yet, all it does is send things back to the states. So you got states like California, Hawaii, and Oregon, and all the leftists. They're just going to keep doing what they're doing. It's the conservative states that are going to restrict access to abortion. And no, lefties, abortion is not health care. I'm not going to say it's murder. I think a lot of people think that it is. My whole take on this was kick it back to the state. So this accomplishes what I think should have been done. Now, do I think abortion should be legal, et cetera, et cetera? I'm not even going to weigh into that debate because that's not what this video is about. This video is about the leak that brought all this to light. This is the first time anything's ever leaked from the Supreme Court. This is unprecedented, and the speculation is that it's one of the uh, liberal Supreme Court justices' law clerk, another left wing activist who is attempting to accomplish something. And, by any means necessary, the leftists want to destroy this country. And so the fact that they're undermining the institution of the Supreme Court, they don't care about that. In fact, I think that's the goal. They want to destroy all the current institutions in this country and in Western civilization because they don't like the fact that this country and this civilization has institutions and a system in place that has raised more people out of poverty than any other system ever put in place. The system has spread more equality to more people than any other system we've come up with yet. Is it a perfect system? No, of course not. There's no such thing. But these idiots want to destroy the US, and their plans for a system that they want to put in place, from what I can tell, is either anarchy or some form of socialism or communism, which these things have all been proven failures. And they think that somehow this time around they're going to get it right. But, anyways, more destruction of institutions in this country because this person is going to leak shit out. This decision would have came out anyway. So the whole point of this is to change the narrative because the Democrats are shitting their pants about the 2022 elections in the fall. They got nothing to run on. They can't run on foreign policy success because it's been one disaster after another. Uh, Afghanistan withdrawal was a complete shit show. Uh, the situation between the U.S. and China is no bueno. Ukraine is a big fucking mess. They can't run on the economy. Inflation's out of control. We might be heading in or already in a recession. And they try to tout things that, oh, we created more jobs. Well, you didn't create anything. These are jobs that were going to come back because we're coming out of a pandemic. And they can't run on border security because that's a complete shit show. I mean, all these things are things that they want to happen, but they can't. They know that these aren't things American people support, so they gotta, change the narrative. So they think this is going to help them uh, with the narrative, but I'm not too sure about that. They try to get out there and they have these infanticide pundits talking about, oh, the vast majority of American people support abortion. I don't know about that, but they get up there and say all kinds of crap. And, just the nonstop attack on institutions we already have on both sides of the political spectrum. Uh, Very low confidence in institutions, right? So, uh, our elections, a huge number of people think that they're compromised. Uh, Congress approval ratings been super low for years, if not decades. I mean, I think that Congress has lower approval ratings than the president, if if you can believe that. Uh, Large portion of the country thinks that the numbnuts in charge is got that position by illegitimate means, yours truly included. Uh, the This current administration is following in the footsteps of their first two terms. What are you talking about? This is Biden. This is Potato Head's first term, but this is really Obama's third term, and it's just a big disastrous shit show. I think that this is probably one of the most successful presidencies ever. I mean, because the goal is to destroy America, and I think they're succeeding on many fronts. So this whole leaking of the it's not even a final decision yet. I guess it's a draft of the overturning Roe. This person has no respect for uh, the institutions in this country. They just want to destroy things. They'll do whatever it takes. Basically, they did this to change the narrative so that people start talking about this instead of all the other shit shows going on. And obviously, it's working because I'm talking about it. And, I'm sure everyone else is talking about it, from all the different fake news outlets to even more legitimate, reputable, trustworthy sources. I'm sure everyone's going to have a take on this. But anyways, just want to get this video out there and throw in my opinion about this, and talk about how, is impactful as far as the decision on abortion. But the real story here, the big ticket item here, is the further destruction of American institutions, and the fact that these left-wing activists, this asshole law clerk, the ends justify the means. So if they can change the narrative, they'll do whatever it takes to do so. And I'm starting to think that this they knew this would undermine the another institution. I think that's the goal, probably even more so than changing the narrative. But anyways, I think I'm going to end it here. Hope you liked the video. If so, hit the like button, share, subscribe, and all that good stuff. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one.